Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we will discuss about how can define WP debug true without change in WP config, and how can access log without going to WP content file etc, and without using any file manager plugin. As we know, many time we do not ask to client that we want add WP debug log true to config, but they told we do not provide uh, access to WP config file etc. So at that time developer think how can add WP debug log true so that I can debug and check issue what is going on. So in this video I will explain everything from step by step, and in this video I will give some pro tip from my end. So stay tuned at the end, and in the first step go to uh, plugin section and click on add new plugin, and search with debug log manager tool, and it is by Lukman Nakib, and click on install now and click on activate, and then click on install plugin again, and you can check view log at here. So at here there is settings. So at here WP debug true at here, so we can get all information, and this is path of debug log. It is default path, but this is by this plugin, and you can also script debug, enable script debug true, and if you want to show uh, error at the front end, then you can display it here, but I do not recommend because many time visitor access your site, then they can see error etc, so it is not recommended. And you can also if you want to check any database query etc, then you can also click on save query at here. Okay, now now for check logs, go to logs section, and at here my pro tip is uh, uh, first delete debug log means empty debug log file. So at here click on button, red button, and now our empty log is empty log file is empty. Error log file is empty. Now suppose I want to mm, add some error log at here, like remove dashboard visit, and now I added some code, error log dashboard right now removed. Okay, so it is for example, and you can add many error log which you want. So just go to dashboard now, and now check error log. Now it is this error message is here, dashboard right now removed. So via this method you can debug any code at your end. And now at here my pro tip is, if you want to if your debug thing is done, then go to plugins and deactivate and delete this plugin. And if you want again and again, like debug log again and again, issue is coming many times, then you can go to setting and debug log false, so that it will not hit your debug log file again and again, and it will not decrease your page speed. And as you know, my name is Sandeep Jain and I have 11-year experience, and I work I work on PHP work in WordPress, plugin development, WooCommerce development, API development, and there are lots of things. So you can connect or hire me. And if you found this video helpful, then please like, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.